Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a charging station in the Chargemap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the contribute button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the create a charging station button. So first you have to give the name of the charging area. So any name that you want. And then you have to give the location type, so if it's a hotel, a restaurant, a school, and then you don't have to, but you can give an exact address and a postal code, but as you can see, those are optional. And then you have to give the town, and then also the country. So and then click on the next button. So then you have to set if in that zone the parking is free or paid. And then you have to give the access, so if it's accessible to everyone or just certain employees or customers. And you can also set if it's open 24/7. If it's not, then just click on the white circle next to it, and then you can add if it's for example on Tuesday, it's open from like 9 a.m. to like 7 p.m. and if you set it, just click on the save button, and then just click on the save button, and you can do that. And you can also search for a network if you want to set one, but you don't have to. And then you can also add any other information regarding the location or price or anything, and then just click on the next button. So you have to again set if the charge is paid or free. You can set if it has authentication methods, and if the charging station is out of service, then it obviously will not available. You can add connectors, and you can also add station if you want to. But again, that's optional. And if you don't want to, just click on the next button. Oh, and here you can upload pictures of the place, of the area, if you want to. And then just click on the save button, and your your charging station is saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.